Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to go camping. We'll have more than one video on this. Yeah.
Oh, why can't you?
So, yeah, and it's going to be in a matter of time. So, maybe a little until we go. But we'll keep you tuned to when anything happens. We're just going to make a part 1 for now. Cringy moment. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna be doing that. You have 5 seconds to say anything to the camera. 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
4,
I mean,
5. So we're just gonna be doing stuff sleepover related. We're going camping with them. It'll be a 2-day thing. So I just wanted to make a short video about we're gonna do it. So anyways, see you later.